guys, back to school. Is everyone okay? Oh my gosh, are we hit? Are we hit? Are they okay? Are they okay? Are you okay? I got my pin in. I didn't have time to stitch it. Don't pull it, it's gonna pop. Abby's wearing Julie's uniform and it fits really nicely. Very cute. You look darling. Getting up early is kicking my butt. This is only day 1. You look handsome. You ready? Are you nervous?
Yes.
Are you nervous that you're gonna be late?
No.
Oh, good. Because you won't be late. I want to sit by Daddy.
Hello. Let's read scriptures. First Nephi chapter 3.
Verse 4.
Verse 4.
Wherefore?
I would probably take a long nap in the car.
Julie, it's your turn.
I'm physically unable to move.
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day, beautiful that we can have a good first day of school, and that we will make new friends.
Amen.
Amen. I have to fix my hair.
So do I, Russell. Are you not wanting to wake up? For breakfast this morning, we are having orange juice, a little bit of a muffin, granola, yogurt, and berries, cheese, and hard-boiled eggs. Are you gonna get ready and come with me? I'm taking the kids to school today, so I'm gonna take Eve, and we're going to enjoy the commencement of school with the kids. You like it? It's very pretty. That looks very lovely. Cute. Okay, who's next? Russell, your turn. Come out here. Over here. I'm gonna take your picture. Okay. Ready? 1. Okay, Julie. Guys, just wait on the porch. Right there. Oh, you look adorable. Okay. Us girls, let's go take a selfie. 1, 2, 3. You guys, look at all my kids. Go. Okay, you guys, back to school. Come on, Eve. Do you want to go with them for the first day of school? Okay, let's go. Did we make it? Yes. Are we all in the van? Yes. Let's take these kids to school. What? Thank you, Sherry, for helping me. I could not have done this morning without you.
I'm gonna be bullied about my hair.
Like, I mean it. Like, with the pictures and keeping everyone on track. Is everyone okay? Oh my gosh, are we hit? Are we hit? Are they okay? Are they okay? Are you okay? You're okay? I'm okay. I think he's okay. This tire blew. It looks like the tire blew.
Okay.
And was I right behind him? I don't even remember what happened. I'm shaking.
Are they okay?
Everyone's okay. Russell, it's okay. What happened? It's okay. Everyone's safe. It's okay.
Were you guys involved in the accident?
I was driving and it looked like the blue car, I heard something, so I'm thinking a tire exploded, and I just was right behind him and I was going to rear end him, so I just veered off the freeway.
Okay, did you know if you got hit or?
I don't think so. Like, I walked around and it doesn't look like we got hit.
Whose fault was it?
It was nobody's fault. The guy in front of me, his tire
Red
blew.
truck? Or the one way
No,
up there?
the guy who's now behind me, his tire blew, but he was in front of me. And the red truck was going, I don't know where the red truck was, but it had to veer in front and get off so it didn't hit. I don't know. I didn't see the red truck. I just know that the blue car had a tire blow and I had to get out of its way. He hits the sign. He took the sign out. Russell,
This was my first car crash.
and you know what? I want to tell you something, and I want you to really listen. We should have been in that crash. I don't know how we avoided getting hit, but you know what? There is not a single scratch on our car. There is not one person who got whiplash. And do you know why? It's because we said our prayers this morning. And we tried our best to do what Heavenly Father wanted us to do. And you know what? Nobody's hurt. And I know it's because the Lord is watching out for our family and for others. And we're okay. And we're going to get to school.
Mom,
Okay?
Can we not go right now?
I'm going to go ask the police officer if we can go or if he needs us to stay. Because sometimes they like us to stay to be a witness and to take our statements. I'm finishing writing my statement for the police, and a friend is going to pick up the kids off the freeway and finish taking them to school.
Are you involved in the accident?
I was right behind this guy.
Up here in the gray vehicle, were they part of the accident as well?
No, I think they stopped later. I know the red truck was involved, but I don't remember knowing how. You guys, I am like calm, but I'm shaking. And poor Russell, his first day at school, and he has to be involved in a car accident. I can see our neighbor up here, way up there, picking up the kids. That's really nice of her to come get them. I'm gonna finish up here, give my statement, and then hopefully meet the kids up at the school and explain what happened. Honey, are you okay? I thought you went with your brothers and sisters. I didn't know you were still in here. Look at me. Look at me, your hand. It's okay. You're safe. It's gonna be okay. I promise. I know it's scary, huh? It's okay. Everybody was safe, not just my family, but the other cars involved. I'm grateful we're all safe. How's my car been on this whole time?
I guess you're not a very good driver. Right?
I'm a very good driver. This was not my fault. This was nobody's fault.
You all right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
We'll get you out of here. I'll go ahead and slow down some traffic and let you back on the road. How's that?
Thank you very much. I know I'm gonna end up going home and then crying like a little baby. I jumped. Woohoo! Okay, all the kids made it to the school okay. We're all a little bit shaken up, but we're all okay. And I'm so grateful we're all good. You gonna have a fun day at school? You already made new friends already? Good. Okay, bye.
Love you. Always be careful what you say to your family and friends because you never know when it's going to be the last.